Hello kids, welcome to Abc123 Magical Learning. Let's learn numbers 1 to 20. We will trace the numbers and find the next number. First we will learn name of the colors. Yellow color, orange color, brown color, dark green color, violet color, orange color, light pink color, sky blue color, light green color, blue color. Now let's trace the numbers and write the missing number. 1. This is number 1. After 1, which number? Number 2. Number 2. 3. After 3, which number is missing? Number 4. After 4, number 5. After 5, which number is missing? Number 6. Next is number 7. After 7, number 8. After 8, 9. Number 9. After 9, 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11. Next is 12. 1, 2, 12. After 12, 13. 1, 3, 13. After 13, which number is missing? Number 14. 1, 4, 14. After 14, number 15. 1, 5, 15. After 15, number 16. 1, 6, 16. Next is 17. 1, 7, 17. After 17, 1, 8, 18. After 18, 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Let's repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Kids, hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.